Emergency responders trained for Ebola in Iowa City today, just a week after the University of Iowa Hospitals and Clinics was named an official Ebola treatment center.
Although there are no confirmed cases here in Iowa, crews learned what to do just in case it happens here. CBS 2 News reporter Melanie Moore watched their training today and joins us live now. Melanie?
Several emergency response crews did a full run-through today to learn how to safely transport an Ebola patient to the hospital. It's the first training session at UI hospitals and clinics following their designation as an official Ebola treatment center.
We're actually here for a training with all the 3 designated transport services to transport a suspected or confirmed case of Ebola in Iowa.
The crews came from around Iowa and Wisconsin. Organizers say responders went over everything they need to know.
Everything about how the Ebola virus has started, how it's transmitted, how can it be killed, how to treat the patient who potentially has it.
The end of the training focused on safe transport into the hospital and how to protect themselves after.
The most critical thing is how they get out of that equipment once they're here. And so we spent a considerable amount of time discussing the fine points of how to even just simply take off gloves.
Organizers demonstrated how to properly remove suits and disinfect equipment, like the ambulance.
Experts feel that that's probably where healthcare workers have probably been exposed to the disease.
Though there's been a lot to learn, responders say they feel prepared.
I think very much so that if a patient would occur tomorrow, I think we could safely get that patient from point A to point B here in Iowa, and that the crews would be safe in doing it.
Now, organizers say that the likelihood of having an Ebola patient in Iowa is small, but that's also part of the reason why it's so important for them to have continued training. They say they plan on following up on their training after the first of the new year. Covering the corridor in Iowa City, Melanie Moore, CBS 2 News.